choose which way you're going to look at these problems. You can either choose to look at it as a way to stop you, or you can choose to look at it as a stepping stone to get you up on a new level.
'Cause when I pray, God hears. When I pray, God cares. When I pray, God answers.
If you want the power of Jesus in your life, you have to live a submitted, surrendered life to the Lord.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, we give blessing and honor to your name. Hallelujah.
We go to church and we look real good, and somebody will say, "How are you today?" And we say, "I'm just fine." Do you know what fine means? Frustrated, insecure, neurotic, and emotional. Can anybody relate?